Today, I want to talk about something that's easy to overlook, but incredibly important for your safety: testing and changing the batteries in both your smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors. These devices are the first line of defense against potentially deadly situations. A working smoke detector can cut the risk of a house fire being fatal in half. And carbon monoxide, it's a silent killer. You won't see it, smell it, or taste it, but a detector can alert you before it's too late. I know it's easy to forget about these detectors, but think about it. When was the last time you tested them? If you can't remember, it's probably time. I recommend testing both your carbon monoxide detectors and your smoke detectors every single month, and changing the batteries twice a year. A good way to remember it is every time you change your clocks, you should be changing your batteries as well. Testing these devices is simple. For both your smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector, press and hold the test button until you hear a loud beep. This beep tells you the device is working properly. If it sounds weak, or if you don't hear anything at all, it's time to change the batteries or even replace the unit if it's not functioning properly. Some hardwired detectors will have backup batteries also, so make sure that those backup batteries are in good shape also. Now, if your detectors are hardwired into your home's electrical system, you won't need to change the batteries as often, but you should still test them on a regular basis to make sure they're working properly. Changing the batteries is quick and easy. Just pop open the cover, swap out the old batteries for fresh ones, and then test the unit again to make sure it's ready to protect your home. Be sure to do this for both your smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors in your home. Be sure to do these for both your smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors in your house. So this fall, take a few minutes to test and change those batteries, or just test your wire detectors to ensure they're working. It's a small task that could make a big difference in protecting your home and your family. If you want to learn more about home maintenance, check out my Handy Homeowner online course. Stay safe, stay proactive, and I'll see you in the next video.